Everyone dreams of making money without putting in the effort, and thanks to technology, that dream is becoming more and more achievable. With the rise of passive income apps, you can now earn money while you sleep, watch TV, or just about your daily routine. In this video, I'm going to share 3 apps that pay you for doing nothing. Yeah, you heard that right. These apps offer simple, easy ways to earn passive income with little to no effort. Let's dive in. 1. Honeygain. Earn money by sharing your internet. First up on our list is Honeygain, an app that pays you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Here's how it works. Once you install the app on your device, Honeygain runs in the background using your internet connection to power various online services like web scraping, content delivery, and market research. In return, you earn money based on the amount of bandwidth you share. The more devices you have Honeygain installed on, the more you can potentially earn. 2. Sweetcoin. Get paid for walking. Next on our list is Sweetcoin, an app that pays you for something you're really doing every day: walking. Sweetcoin tracks your steps and rewards you with Sweetcoins, which can be exchanged for a variety of products, gift cards, or even donated to charity. Here is how it works. Once you download the Sweetcoin app, it tracks your outdoor steps using your phone's GPS and accelerometer. For every 1,000 steps you take, you earn a small amount of Sweetcoins. While the app doesn't convert your steps directly into cash, you can use your Sweetcoin purchase products from their marketplace, including fitness gear, electronics, and more. 3. Brave Browser. Earn crypto for browsing the web. Last but not least, we have the Brave Browser, a web browser that rewards you in cryptocurrency for simply browsing the internet. If you're tired of seeing ads online, Brave offers a unique solution. It blocks intrusive ads by default but gives you the option to view private user target ads in exchange for cryptocurrency. When you opt into Brave's End program, you earn basic attention tokens every time you view an ad. These tokens can be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges, giving you the opportunity to turn your browsing habits into real money. There you have it, 3 apps that pay you for doing nothing. While none of these apps will make you rich overnight, they are perfect for earning extra cash with minimal effort. So why not give them a chance? Let me know which one you're most excited about in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making easy money online.